Hello YouTube, Tristan from Dynamic here. Rubik's Cube solving hopefully less than 4 minutes and 24 seconds, which is my record. Set my timer here. Green side right there. It's sufficiently scrambled. My brother did it, so I don't know if that moves or anything. Alright, let's go. Now. Oops. Now. Oh. Ha. Ha ha. Ha 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 ha. Beat my record by 1 minute and 14 seconds. Just to prove it. Yeah. Right there. 3 minutes, 10 seconds. Getting faster. And I was pretty lucky too, because I got the blue cross solved itself. If I had to do it by myself, it would have taken me, maybe 30 more seconds. Anyway, Rubik's Cube. Pretty awesome. I need to get a new one though. Look at those stickers. It's terrible. Everything else, perfectly fine. The blues are starting to peel a little bit. The reds are okay. Greens are fine. Yellows are absolutely perfect. Whites look absolutely perfect. Oranges, don't really know what happened there. Anyway, get a Rubik's Cube. They're fun.